Tables are useful for creating structured visual representations of data. In Blackboard, you might want to use a table to present due dates for course assignments or to visually organize large amounts of data. In this video, we will discuss ways to enhance the accessibility of tables created in Blackboard. This ensures that the information contained in the table will be interpreted clearly by screen readers. You can create tables inside of Blackboard by using the Insert Edit Tables button that appears on the Content Editor bar when you are building content inside of Blackboard. If you do not see the Insert Edit Tables button, click on the double down arrows at the far right of the text box to show more options. After you click the Insert Edit Table button, a pop-up window will appear that allows you to customize the table. From the General tab, click the box to the right of Table Caption so that it is checked. This will give you an area above the table to type a title. Next, click on the Advanced tab and enter an ID and summary for the table. The table ID serves as the identifier for the table. The summary is a description for the table. If it is helpful, think of the ID as the alt tag for the table. Once you have entered all the information on your table, click Insert, and your table will appear in Blackboard. You can then enter the information that you would like contained in the table into the table's columns and rows. Some other general guidelines to keep in mind when building tables in Blackboard are: avoid using tables for design purposes. The Insert Edit Tables feature in Blackboard is designed for creating data tables. If you use these to alter the layout of your page, screen readers will have a more difficult time presenting clear information to students. If a color is used, make sure it is accessible also. You may have noticed that you have the option to edit the color of the table borders and background. If you do choose to change the color of the table's borders and background, make sure the colors selected are accessible for students with color blindness or other visual disabilities. If you decide to use a background image in your table, make sure the table's information is still easy to read. Just as you have the ability to change the table's border and background colors, you also have the option to use a background image. If an image is used, make sure students are still able to clearly see the information contained in the table. You can find a transcript of this video attached to it in the Accessibility Checklist Training Workshop. Feel free to print it out or save it for future reference.